Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So up to now we have learned about the complete subject concept we have learned. So the different varieties of the subjects what are available, the replay subject, the behavior subject, the async subject and also the void subject also we have learned. Now we will see some of the operators that supports this behavior subject, replay subjects, these all those things. So before learning these operators, so I want to explain you about the subject and also the variants of subject, then so that you can understand about these operators very easily. Now if you come down, if you try to see these multicasting operators, we have already discussed about this multicast, publish, share, these all the things, three things we have discussed. Now if you try to see here, there are three types of operators are there. First one is the publish behavior, publish last and the publish replay. So if you try to open this publish behavior, as the name itself indicates that behavior, so that means it indicates about the behavior subject. Yes, the what we think is correct only. So it nothing but what this publish behavior will do is it will make use of the behavior subject. Okay, and also we need to know that it is also deprecated in the RxJS 7.0. In the RxJS 6.0 it is there, but in the RxJS 7.0 it is deprecated and it will be removed in the version 8 it seems. So for this one we need to use this connectable. So we have used this connectable thing, right? Connectable observable. So we need to use this connectable instead of using this publish behavior. So I will show you how to use this connectable, and also what I can say is how to use this one, and I will try to show you. So let's try to see this one. So if I open here and let's create ngGC, as this one is an operator. So let's try to create publish, okay, behavior operator. Okay, publish behavior operators, as this one is an operator, I am creating like this. Now let's go to the operators.html. so I am going it to the operators.component.html, and here I am adding so publish behavior, and here I am adding so publish behavior, and here I will write publish behavior. So this is the publish behavior, and let's go to the app routing.module.ts, and in this one I am adding the routing. So publish behavior, so here also publish behavior component. That's it. Now let's go to this publish behavior operator, and if I go into this one, so let's think that I have a observable. So source I am taking, so I will be implementing this one in the RxJS prior to RxJS 7 version, so without using the connectable observable. So we have an interval, so it will emit the value for every 1000, and what we can do is we can add a publish behavior. Okay, publish behavior, as this one is an deprecated, and we need to send a default value. So as the behavior subject takes the default value, in the same scenario, so this publish behavior also takes the default value, and here I am writing interval. Let's import this interval. That's it. Now what I will try to do is I will do source.subscribe. Okay, so I am subscribing this one before emitting value only. So for every 1 second this interval will emit the value. So before emitting the value only I am subscribing here. So I am doing console.log observer1 plus data. Okay, now I am using set timeout. So set timeout. So after 4 seconds what I will try to do is I will subscribe another observer. So let's copy this one and paste it here automatically, and let's see the output, observer 2. Okay, so let's try to see. Now if you try to see the output, so let's open this RxJS, and here in the operators, let's go to the operators. Yeah, in the operators it will be there. So here it is the publish behavior. When you click on the publish behavior, so observer 1 received the default value 100, and after some time observer 2 also received the 100. So why this interval is not sending the value is this publish behavior returns a connectable observable. Okay, this one is a connectable observable. So we already discussed in the previous videos that connectable observable will emit the values when you use the dot connect. So when you call the dot connect method only, then this observable will start emitting the values. So as this one is a connectable observable, let's try to add the typecasting it is a connectable observable of type number. Okay, so in the latest Angular you will be getting an error like this. So as this one is a connectable observable, so let's try to import this one. Yeah, I have imported. Yeah, that's it. So now what I need to do here, so source dollar dot connect. I need to use the connect method. That's it. Now if you try to see the output, what could be the output? Let's try to see. Now first time if I refresh, so observer 1 receives the default value 100. Why? Because it is not sending the value when observer 1 came. Now again it is observer 1 is getting 0, 1, 2, 3 and observer 2 immediately received the 2 value directly. Why? Because it is observer 2 is subscribed after 4 seconds. So after 4 seconds the last emitted value is for the interval is the 2 value. So that is the reason. So it is getting the 2 as directly. So this is the published behavior. But in the RxJS 7.0 if you try to see here, all the lines are striked off. Why? Because these are all not supported. So these are all deprecated in the RxJS 7.0. So then what is the way, another way of writing this one in the RxJS 7.0? So let's try to write it in the latest method. So now as we know that this returns an connectable observable, so let's try to take source dollar is a connectable. Okay, so you will have a method that is nothing but a connectable. So this one, for this connectable we need to send the observable interval of 1000. So here we have sent this connectable and we know that the type of this connectable observable should be a published behavior. So what I can do, so you will be having a default configuration object and in this one you will be having one key that is connector, and in this connector you need to send new behavior subject. Okay, so no new behavior subject of 100. That's it. So this is the how we will be mentioning this interval. So how we have written the code here, this will be converted into like this. So we have created a connectable observable of interval 100 and that connectable observable it should be something like behavior subject and we need to send a 100 default value. Now the same thing. So what I will try to do, so I will try to take these both the things and I will paste it here automatically. So the same output you will get. So now we know that the source has as this one is a connectable observable. If you try to see here connectable of number, you will be able to see as this one is a connectable observable. So you need to add dot connect, then only the interval will try to send the values. That's it. Now if you try to see the output, the same output, it will be repeated with the same output. So let me try. Yeah, it is refreshing. Observer 100 it received, observer 1 0 1 2 and observer 2 also is receiving the 2 3 values it is getting. So the previous output how we have got it, the same output we are able to replicate that one, but we have written in a new version code. Okay, this is the version of the code what we will be writing in the RxJS 7.0. Prior to RxJS 7.0 we will be writing like this. So we are using interval and you will be using the operator publish behavior like this. So this is the use of this, what I can say, publish behavior operator. If you try to see this one, publish behavior multicasting operator, if you want to use this one, means if you are using RxJS 7.0 means the correct way of using is like this, or otherwise if you are using prior to RxJS 1.0 means, so there will be no options like this using, so you can use it directly like this. Okay, so this is all about the publish behavior. In the next video we will learn about this publish last and publish replay also. Hope you understood about this publish behavior. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video, and if you like this video please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.